Here's a 2019 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride, yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.